Unit 35. Had better at its time. A. Had better, I better, you better, etc. I'd better do something. It is advisable to do it. If I don't do it, there will be a problem or a danger. I have to meet Annie in 10 minutes. I'd better go now or I'll be late. Shall I take an umbrella? Yes, you had better, replied Rain. We're going to stop for petrol soon. The tank is almost empty. The negative is I had better not, I had better not. The jacket looks good on you. Are you going to buy it? I'd better not. It's too expensive. You don't look very well. You had better not go out tonight. Remember that. The form is had better. Usually I had better, you had better, etc. in spoken English. I'd better phone Chris. Hadn't I? Had normally past. But the meaning of had better is present or future, not past. I'd better go to the bank now, tomorrow. We say I'd better do, not to do. It might rain. We had better take an umbrella, not we had better take. B. Had better and should. Had better is similar to should, but not exactly the same. You use had better only for a specific situation, not for things in general. You can use should in all types of situations, give an opinion or give advice. It is late, you had better go. You should go, a specific situation. You are always at home, you should go out more often. In general, not had better go. Also, with had better, there is always a danger or a problem if you don't follow advice. Should means only it is a good thing to do compare. It is a great film, you should go and see it, but no problem if you don't. The film starts at 8:30, you had better go now, or you will be late. C. It is time. You can say it is time for somebody to. It is time to go home. It is time for us to go home. But you can also say, it is late, it is time we went home. When we use it is time fast, we went, did, I did, giver, etc. The meaning is present, not fast. It is time they were here. Why are they so late? Not it is time they are here. It is time somebody did something they should have already done it or started it. We often use this structure to criticize or to complain. The situation can continue. It is time you did something about it. He is very selfish. It is time he realized that he is the most important person in the world. You can also say it is about time. This makes the criticism stronger. Jack is a great talker, but it is about time he did something instead of just talking. Unit 35. Exercises 35.1. Read the situation and write sentences with had better or had better not. Use the words in brackets. 1. You are going out for a walk with Tom. It looks as if it might rain. You say to Tom, an umbrella? With better take an umbrella. 2. Oliver has just cut himself. It is a bad cut. You say to him, a plaster. 3. You and Kate plan to go to a restaurant this evening. It is a popular restaurant. You say to Kate, reserve we. 4. Rebecca doesn't look very well this morning. Not well enough to go to work. You say to her, work. 5. You received your phone bill 4 weeks ago, but you haven't paid it yet. If you don't pay soon, you will be in trouble. You say to yourself, pay. 6. You want to ask your boss something, but he's very busy and you know he doesn't like to be disturbed. You say to a colleague, discuss. 35.2 Foot in hair wetter where suitable. If hair wetter is not suitable, you should. 1. I have an appointment in 10 minutes. I'd better go now, I'm late. 2. It is a great film, you should go and see it. You'll really like it. 3. You set your alarm. You'll never wake up on time if you don't. 4. When people are driving, they keep their eyes on the road. 5. I'm glad you came to see us. You come more often. 6. She'll be upset if we don't invite her to the party. So invite her. 7. These biscuits are delicious. You try one. 8. I think everybody learn a foreign language. 35.3 Complete the sentences. Sometimes you need only one word, sometimes two. 1. A. I have to pack. I had better go to the dentist. C. John is expecting you to phone him. You better phone him now. C. Shall I leave the window open? No, you had better it. B. We had better leave as soon as possible. B. 2. A. It is time the government something about the problem. B. It is time something about the problem. C. I think it is about time you about other people instead of only thinking about yourself. 35.4 Read the situation and write sentences. It is time somebody did something. 1. You think the oil in the car needs to be changed. It hasn't been changed for a long time. It is time we change the oil in the car. 2. You haven't had a holiday for a very long time. You need one now. It is time. 3. You are sitting on a train waiting for it to leave the station. It is already 5 minutes late. 4. You enjoy having parties. You haven't had one for a long time. 5. The company you work for has been badly managed. Looking some changes should be made. 6. Andrew has been doing the same job for the last 10 years. He should try something else.